Hey everybody, it's Brandon, the Weekend Cruiser, where I go on a weekend cruise just about every weekend. And right now I am on Virgin Voyages Scarlet Lady. And I must say, if you're looking for a cruise ship that you can be healthy on, have good portion food, have healthier food, and also have plenty of wellness activities such as yoga, boot camps, and overall health, look no farther than the Virgin Voyages line. They are known for having extremely nice gyms, lots of different options, and even some fun classes that are out there. So they have 3 main spots on this cruise ship on the Virgin Scarlet Lady where you can work out at. And so I'll give you a tour of all 3 of those so that when you get here, you'll know how you can customize your specific workouts to fit the cruise ship life. Let's take a tour of the Virgin Voyages Scarlet Lady's fitness centers here on board the ship. So starting out, you've got burn and bike. And you're going to walk in and see that it does have an upscale feel to it. Almost feels a little bit like an Equinox, if you will. You've got some lockers here, so if you bring items with you that you want to store, that you just kind of have on you, you can throw in there. You're going to have some towels to work out as well. Always personal trainers ready to step in and help you out. And you're going to come over, and I'm going to come show you the exercise or the bike room first for spin classes. I know a lot of you really enjoy spin classes, and you are in luck. There are some shoes that are here as well, so if you forget to bring your shoes, you will have the ability to use theirs. But I mean, how excellent of a view is that to be doing a spin class looking directly out onto the ocean. You're going to have a stretch area with some Swiss balls, and then you're going to have some row machines. You're going to have treadmills. You've got some ellipticals, a lot of really good machines here. And one thing that I'll say is every machine here has an amazing view. So if you want to look out over the ocean, you're more of an ocean person and that's what's going to get you going. You can see beautiful views here. These are all Techno Gym. I don't know if you can see the screen. There you go. These are all Techno Gym equipment pieces. They look brand new. They've probably been here for a couple of years since the ship is very new, but they are very nice looking. You've also got the outdoor space. So if you want to face this little miniature pool over here from one of the recumbent bikes, you can do that as well. So it depends on if you want the people watching or you want the ocean. You're going to be able to find all of that here. They've got some other spin bikes out here as well. So if you want to just come out here and do your own kind of class, maybe you want to log into the Peloton app, this is a place where you can come and do that. Clip in and get your workout in. And these are going to be your stair masters. I know a lot of people have gotten into doing the actual stairs for the machine, that is. But here you're going to have the Stairmaster where you can grab hold and pump up and down. All right, so now we have to walk out of here. We're going to go directly to the left, and that's going to take you into the secondary room where you're going to find all of your weighted machines as well as free weights. So let's follow me over there. So welcome now to the second section. This one has a much different feel to it, much lighter in here, which personally I like being in a gym that has a lot of sunshine in it. But directly beside of that, you're going to see where you have your yoga studio for stretching and the classes that they're going to be hosting. So again, beautiful views inside of here. You've also got some extra yoga mats. You got your foam rollers. You've got some cords over here. Depending on what you're looking for, you can do that. If you want to put up the bag, they've got some hooks for you as well. They've got, again, towels over here, a water machine, and then you're going to go straight into the actual machines themselves. So they have Techno Gym equipment once again, and so you're going to be able to get in the isolation exercises that a lot of these have, even some like this one over here that I did not recognize. That was a stretching machine. But you've got a good number of machines here, biceps there. You've got some on the other side, so if you're looking at doing a chest press, plenty of options for you to be able to come in here. Always 2 abductor machines on a cruise ship. I never understood that. I think they're probably one of the least used machines. You've got some cables. Always great to see a Smith machine coming through here, and you're going to have free weights or dumbbells that go up to, I believe it's 100 pounds in here is the heaviest that this is going to go. And it does go all the way up to 100 pounds with a few different bench options that you can customize, whether you want to do incline or you want to do decline. They have plenty of options for you. All right, so now we're going to come out this side door here, and I'm going to take you upstairs to the third section. which is where they have more of their boot camp style training that you can take place. And they have some classes up there as well. So here is the outdoor section of the gym. That is their boot camp style. So you'll see they've got different machines here and options. You've got a punching bag. I'm not even sure what some of this stuff down here is for, quite frankly. But I'm sure that if you're used to doing more of an outdoor style workout or more one with, devices that are affixed to the ground, you'll be able to figure out what these are. Let's see if I can get into the training camp from the side door here. I cannot, it is locked, so we'll go in from the other direction. All right, so you've got your training camp. You can enter it from the inside. Otherwise, it sounds like it's going to be a little on the lock side. But this is where you're going to have more of a CrossFit style gym. You got some boxes over here if you want to do some jumps. You got TRX machines, more yoga mats, foam rollers. You got a row machine, plenty of medicine balls of all sorts of different weights. All right, everyone, so that is a very quick tour of the workout facilities here on Virgin Voyages Scarlet Lady. I didn't even show you everything, so there's still more random workout equipment throughout the ship. So when you're walking around, make sure that you find it. They also have their own dedicated jogging track here that is up on deck 17, I believe, at the very aft section of the ship. So if you want to come jogging, that is an excellent place to do it, and you don't have people in your way like you do on a lot of other ships. So hopefully this will allow you to be able to feel more comfortable coming on a cruise ship, knowing that you can stay healthy and stick to your routine so you don't get off schedule. All right, everyone, this is Brandon, the Weekend Cruiser. Hoping to see you on a Weekend Cruise soon.